Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Liz. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below right now. And please click on that bell, the little bell that you see, which is the notification bell, and it will give you notification whenever I upload videos and you won't miss any of them. Now into today's video. I'm so excited because I am participating in a challenge and it's called the Organization DIY and Decor Challenge 2018. And this is hosted by Christina and she's over at the DIY Mommy. So when you finish watching my video, why don't you go over to her channel and give her some love and support. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you just a few simple tips on how I organized my refrigerator. So I hope that you will stay tuned and enjoy the video and get some tips and be inspired to do your refrigerator as well. So I would like you guys to sit back and enjoy the video, and I thank you so much for watching my video and for giving me a like, giving me a comment down below, and even sharing the video. And thank you, Christina, for doing this challenge. This is a wonderful, nice video to do challenge, and I'm excited to be participating. So, without further ado, you guys just watch and enjoy. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye. Okay, for this Organization and DIY challenge, I decided to do my refrigerator. I'm going to show you how I organized it from the inside and how I put everything together. But first, I'm going to show you the front, how I put all of my refrigerator magnets. I have everything up here on the refrigerator nice and neat. And I have a lot of cute little magnet sayings. This one here with the lady says beautiful, and this is a scripture here. For what shall it profit a man if he shall gain the whole world and lose his own soul? This one I love. This is so cute. This one says, this is what I think of diet foods. Yeah, I can vouch for that one. This one here, I can do everything through him who gives me strength. I love that one. This one says, this home is forever blessed. The first rule of love is to listen. I love that one. And this is just a cute little birthday cake magnet that I got for someone's birthday a long time ago. And this one here says, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. That is so true. And this is just a moving forward magnet from my church that I have. And luckily, cute, but I don't know why I have it here. It's a Christmas ornament. I just thought it was really cute, and I've always left it there just for a little sparkle color. And then this one says, bon appetit. And moving right along on the next side, just this here has a important papers that you want to remember, and I have a cookie magnet attached to it. And here's another important paper with a birthday cake. Then moving down here, I have an angel, and this one here, Grandma's guardian angel. I love that one. How sweet is that? And here is an autoglass.com one that I got when I got my car, the windows tinted. And this one here, what is this one? I think this is looks like a taco. I'm not even sure what it is. What is that, a taco, you guys? I should know, huh? But it looks like a taco. Oops, and it fell. The next one here is just a cute little magnet. All of the ink rubbed off, so I don't know what that one says. And then this very last one says faithful, and I love that. So, you know, it's nice to put a lot of sparkle and color to the front of your refrigerator and make it look really nice. Then down on the bottom I have my 2 hand towels. I chose. And here's the inside of my refrigerator. This is the middle portion. I'll give you guys an overview first of how everything looks, and then I'll talk about it. This is a Kenmore refrigerator. Very nice, a lot of room. I love it. There's an ice maker right there. And it has its own caddy. Okay, now in the center here, as you can see, I have all of my storage containers, and I love the color green. So I just put a lot of my, over here I stored my bread, tortillas, whatnot in that left bin. And on the right bin here, I have some packaged salads, pre-made salads that I got from the grocery store. I have those in there. Down here, I have my Earth Balance organic butter. I just placed it in there, and a couple of extra bottles of water that I didn't have a chance to fit in the storage bin that I'm about to show you. And here it is right here. This bin, I just store all of my bottled water. And in the back here is enough room for my juices, all of my different drinks that I want. I have some orange juice in there. I have some tea and fruit punch, and it stores real nicely in that bin right there. All the water. Then on this side, way in the back, it's just a couple of miscellaneous things. Some cream cheese spread, I just left that back there, and there's some medicine that I need to use, so I store that way in the back so no one will get in there and try to play around with it and say, hey, is this food? No, it's not food, it's medicine. Then I have these 2 containers right here. I just put my salsa in one, and it's a cute little container, has a little top on it, and this green one. Then moving right along, I've got more food items. I just stored them in my little plastic containers, and everything, as you can see, pretty much has a green top on it. Then in my vegetable bins, this side is where I keep my fruits. This is the remaining fruit that we have. Usually it's filled up, you guys, but this is what we have here. I've got some apples over here to the right. I've got my lemons in the middle and my pears on the left. And you see how I grouped everything according to its own kind. Okay, I'll close that up. Then on the left side, I have my bin full of vegetables. Over here on the left side, I have a package of lettuce, and I just slid it right in this area because I had an extra space to put a pack there. So I did that. And in the back, I have a bell pepper. You see an onion. Here's my tomatoes, avocados. And if you notice, I have everything grouped together. And here's my celery on the left. I kept the celery in the pack because I didn't want to have to, break it up, but you can cut them all up and put them in a storage container if you want to, but I chose to leave mine in the bag. So everything pretty much is grouped together, organized together, all the tomatoes together and everything else. I think that turned out really, really cute. And then here's my deli drawer. Now this is where I store my bacon. Let me take it out so you guys can see it. You can get these type of storage containers from, your local Dollar Tree or your 99-cent store. And I thought this was a great idea to store your bacon packs. So I put that right there, and it closes up real nice. Then I have some containers full of my deli meats back there. And then over here, this storage area where I put all my cheeses. Over here is where I keep all of my salad dressings, any sauces that I have. Up here is where I keep my batteries. Down here is where we keep our coffee creamers, and this is where I store all of my eggs. And last but not least, on the left side, I have a few cans of soda I put in that little cute little cubby little container. I think that is so adorable to put that in there like that. Stores real nice. Down here is where I have my milk and my buttermilk. And if you notice how I place them in there, I put it, I just place it in there according to color. The blue one, then put the cute little yellow in the center. I kind of coordinated the color, just to make it look a little more interesting. And then the other blue on the other side. And last but not least, I have a green container here where I keep my relish. I've got some mustard in the back. And these are pretty much large items that you want to store on the side of your refrigerator. So I wanted to, instead of just placing them down in here without a basket, I wanted to put some type of storage. And here's my jelly. Okay, here's my bottom part of the freezer. I'm going to open it up for you guys and show you. Is this pull-out drawer. And on the right side, I have my potatoes that are lined up neatly and some bread in the back. And then I have some meat way in the back. And then on the left side is where I store all of my veggies. Everything is neat and organized. Here's my mixed vegetables, my spinaches on this side, and then my Brussels sprouts in the back, and then some broccoli. Okay, down on the bottom, on the right side, I have some pancakes. I've got a pot pie. I've got some what is that, artichokes type of entree, and another type of entree. I don't know what that is. I think it's a beef and lean type of some sort. So I have them all stored in my bin, as you can see, very nice and neat. And on the left, in the front, I have a box of wings that I just put there because it's very easy just to store it right down in the, in the bottom, and then just pull it on out. And in this container here, I got 2 5-pound chicken bags. So I think everything is real neat, super cute. And this is how I stored everything.